Here's a look at these 9005 HB3 lights right here. Maybe hard to see it in the camera, but it has it marked right here on the box. 9005 lights. This is from the Termitor. These are the Termitor ones from the Farin brand right here. Thought I'd just do a little unboxing on camera so you guys can see exactly how they come packaged, but most importantly, what they look like, get an idea for the quality of them, that sort of thing. So let's pull them out of the box here. Yeah, so like I was saying right there, it shows you that they're marked 9005. Alright, so you got a little instruction manual, got some zip ties, some adhesive pads in there, little tool. Oh, that's actually cool. Nice custom packaging right there. Lets you know there's a 1-year warranty on it. And then let's see everything inside. Alright, so here's one of them. I can already tell, just feeling it in my hand, these feel really nice. Solid, a good high quality metal right there. Here's a look at the connector. Yeah, let's see, get a good shot of this right here. And I'll show you the other one too. Check out the quality on both of them. Looks like both arrived in perfect condition. Should work pretty well. These look and feel awesome. Should function the same.